How to clear nicknames on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear nicknames on Instagram. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, go ahead and open up the Instagram app on your device. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you need to find the option for your chats at the top right corner and then tap on it. Then you need to go to the chat where you have set up a nickname for your friend. I'll just tap on the first chat over here, then tap on the profile. From there, all you have to do is find the tab called Nicknames right below Privacy and Safety. Tap on it, and then select the nickname you want to edit or change. I'll just select the second person. And as you can see, they have set up a nickname. I can just remove this and then tap on Done. Now you have successfully cleared the nickname from the person and the chat. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.